Hello there, my name is Ravina and I'm from Learn Canyon Formulation School. Let me ask you this first. Do you have a skincare business? Then Instagram is one rock solid platform to help you get more reach, more leads and hence more sales. The trick is to keep up with its ever-changing algorithm, post quality content and create constant engagement. Today in this video, we will cover 5 tips to grow your Instagram skincare account in 2023. Tip number 1. Optimizing hashtags. You can include up to 30 hashtags on a regular post, but you need to optimize these hashtags according to your post, your target audience and your brand. If you have less number of followers, try to use hashtags with a few thousand posts or there's a high chance that your post may get buried deep amongst others. Tip number 2. Focusing on the aesthetics. The creative part of your post is responsible for catching a lot of attention along with your hook. So make sure it is aesthetic and brand specific. For your organic skincare brand, make sure your creative side includes botanicals and other relevant images. Tip number 3. Personal branding. The need of 2023 marketing is personal branding. You need to be the face of your brand and come up once in a while with your personal story, pictures and reels to engage with your customers on a personal level. In this way, they know there is a real person and not an organization. This will help them with a better connection. Tip number 4. Responding in DMs and comments. Always respond to all the DMs and comments. In this way, people will know they matter and they are a part of this conversation. They'll also create a solid engagement for your brand and turn more leads into clients. Tip number 5. Captions like conversations. Write your captions that grab attention and compel people to keep reading. One simple way to do this is to use shorter sentences and keep the language conversational. Large paragraphs may bore people into stopping reading your caption and always end with a CTA. The most important part of your skincare marketing is social media, and Instagram is winning the race when it comes to bonding with people who are searching to buy authentic organic products. So you know where your audience lives. You have the products that are going to help them in getting positive results. Instagram will help you bridge this gap by interacting, engaging, and influencing your prospective clients. And once again, 5 crucial ways to do that are: number 1, optimizing hashtags; number 2, focusing on the aesthetics; number 3, personal branding; number 4, responding in DMs and comments; number 5, captions like conversations. Missing out on any of these may pose as a huge block in your reach. That's why inside Learn Canyon courses, we always emphasize on marketing in addition to formulating. Check out our courses by clicking the link in the bio. Do you have any suggestions on Instagram reach? Feel free to share them below. Bye-bye.